I'm flying, Jack!
It gives me reminiscence to when I traveled across Siberia by a very old train. The sound is very much like the rails when it goes like.
Yeah.
But I get the industrial feeling, the pipes, the rust, and then it's very interesting when you start spinning it around. You get an extra sound, so it kind of like motivates you to put in some work. So that was what I got from it.
Experience is that as soon as I move it, you can hear some sound, maybe something that is connected with some kind of history of a place, or maybe this place, or maybe the ground, or industrial environment, because they have the sounds like you're banging on something metal, or and some truck sounds are more really, yeah, I was aware of my movements in space because you have to push it.
Reminds me of that I'm being some sort of a slave, and it's like that underground there is some mine or something down, and something's happening down, which is reflecting here. The sounds are actually underground. That's how I feel about it. So when more people are here, it kind of reminds me of like a children playground. You can have this, and you can just have fun together.
Det er sjovt.
Er der andre ord end sjovt?
Nej.
Anderledes. Lifeless-agtigt.
Yeah.
It was funny, and it was a different kind of playground to them.
Okay.